All right, so welcome to the exchange. So, first and foremost, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just here to give you my opinion on what I see in the stock markets. Looking to the left to see what has happened, then looking to the right to see what may happen. Do your own due diligence. Make sure you invest money in things you know about. If you don't know, invest in yourself and learn. That's the best way you can make money out here and have some security in these markets. So, let's look at what happens to stock markets so we can get a better idea and some security in exchange. Welcome to the Exchange Show. All right, let's get into it. I'm not even going to waste any time. The first thing we're going to talk about on the exchange is this stock. It's called App Loving. If you don't know what it is, don't worry. It's a corporation that provides a tech platform and enables developers to monetize, analyze, and publish their apps all at the same time. The one thing we want to talk about is monetize. So think of it as a way to get paid to make your apps after it's made. So, I mean, it seems like it had a pretty good run. I've been looking at it over the last couple of days, just doing the charting on it, and in the weekly, it has come up from literally $10. And the reason I say $10 is because I didn't know about this when it was $10, and I'm pissed because I would have bought like a lot of shares. But it has made a rocket of a move up from let's look at that $10 mark from here all the way to its peak. That is a 3,000%, almost a 4,000. It's 3,700% increase from $10 to $406. Why did I not know about this? Oh, well, I wasn't looking at what the senators and Congress people were buying. That's why, but I'm putting it on my radar now. So this is a good opportunity. Not at this very moment. I'm waiting for the pattern to play out here. It's a head and shoulders pattern. It looks like it's probably going to come down. There is a huge gap here from the 230 area all the way down to the 176 area. Most likely it'll hit 163. Remember, these are zones, they're not exact numbers. So in this area, I would look to buy. So what I'll do is I will say around here, I would like to buy. So let's put it here. And entry. I can do an entry there for app loading. So next thing on here, SERV. If you don't know what SERV is, don't worry. I don't know what it is either. I just found out about it. And I'm pissed because it did a huge rise up. Not from what you see, from what you don't see. Down here, $1.87. All the way up to here. So we went from $1.87 all the way up to here. That's a 1,200% raise to the upside to 24 bucks. Why not know about it? Don't worry, don't worry. If you keep asking yourself that, don't worry. We're going to start figuring out how we can find these stocks and get in there and get this money. So first and foremost, I want to see this breakdown. So why you want to see it break down? Because I want to buy it up here. I want to buy it when it's lower. I want to see it break this trend line. Once it breaks that trend line, I want to see it come down to here. Then I want to see it go back up. That's what I would like to see. Now, is that going to happen? Let's see. I want some clarification. So it went up pretty quick from this last area here at $8 and change all the way to $17. So it's almost a $10 rise up. And it's been bouncing off of that trend line. So if you can't see that, there you go. I'm looking to see it pull back at least to here. So let's be realistic, right? All right. It's probably not going to go there. Let's say it'll do one of these. So we're currently here. Let's see it, because it's a strong trend. If it bounces off of this, we could see one of these. How about that? So let's say we want to get interested in this when it hits about there, around 1477. If I can get that area probably to about 15, put that up. There we go. So anywhere from about 15 or lower, I'll probably enter in. I will have to see if it respects this trend line. If it does, great. If it doesn't, I'm going to wait more. So once it gets here, I got to see how it reacts. If it reacts and pulls up, I'm in. If it reacts and falls down more, I'm going to wait until I get a better price. So what could the better prices be? So you always want to go with structure. Here and here would be other entries at $12.86, $11.22, and of course $10.20 Now, if it comes all the way down here, well, let's say I'll be very happy. That would be around $8.70, $8.64. Let's just say mid eights. So that's what we got for SERV. Now, another one we're going to talk about now. This one here, I am going to really like this. Okay. Now, the reason I'm talking about this is it's currently in a consolidation. We are in a consolidation, and it's marked up. It's very clear. It's a rejection pattern, but we had a huge push up. So this one, from what we can see, went from $5.60 all the way up to $28. And that was a 394% increase. Lovely. Now, is that going to continue? What we're going to see. So first and foremost, I'm looking for it to come down just a tad. So I want it to come down from where we're currently at here to probably, if it can get down to here, $17. I would love to see it do this. Oh man. So the reason I'm looking for that is because currently I'm in a slight pull back here. We had that cross here. So I'm looking for my three-way green light. So perfectly, I actually have one. So if I can get a pullback, I'd be happy. But I might just go ahead and take the trade for what it is. And I may have to take this. I may have already missed the pullback. So let's be honest. This pullback may have already happened and I was not even there. So the pullback I look for may have been this area right here. All right, that may have been the entry I wanted, and I missed it, and that's okay. You don't get all of them. Sometimes you just get some of them. So the reason I'm saying that is because based on the trend here that was broken, it came back, it went up, rejected hard, came back, grabbed some areas from this right here, around that $19 area, right around this area, grabbed the orders and took off. Now, currently, this trend is over, this downtrend. We are currently in an uptrend. So let's see if we break this uptrend, where would we look for the next one to begin? All right. I think I'm going to actually, most likely next week, I might buy some shares of OKLO here. Now, if you don't know what OKLO is, don't worry. OKLO is about nuclear fission. So it's about power. So why is this important to coming up in 2025? Well, everybody needs chips, and everybody needs AI, and everybody needs the internet, and everybody needs blockchain. Somebody's got to get this power going. OKLO is one of the stocks that can get you into the nuclear fission area, but it also provides used nuclear fuel recycling services. So this could be one of the things that pushes forward into that green energy, just in a different way. And I don't know how they recycle it, but I mean, hey, that's what YouTube's for, right? And if you're looking to do more research and if you're looking to find out how I'm looking at these things, how I'm finding out about these things, go to our website. The link's in the description below. On that website, there is a custom-made search engine that can help you do your due diligence. It's called Due Diligence Search Engine, and it is calibrated to look through financial news only, not the entire internet. It can help you do your due diligence and find out about stocks just like this, just like I did. So I'll see you next week on the exchange. Hope you have a good week trading. Congratulations on a great Thanksgiving, a great Christmas, and an outstanding New Year's to come in the future, and we'll see you in 2025. See you later. Bye.